Good morning mga brosis. Today we're going to continue fixing the cylinder head. We're going to remove it, and as you can see from there, on the top, there you go. There you go, my friends. We're going to remove this cylinder head. There you go. Here it is. Now the only way to remove it, I've actually disassemble the pipelines and also all the wirings and also the muffler intake and exhaust as well. So what I'm going to do now is to remove this one, pull it out, and also I've actually removed the connection on the turbocharging turbo as well itself. So first thing you need to do when you do mechanic on your car, make sure to remove the battery so that whatever you're doing, if you touch any electrical wiring or inside, you won't be able to. It won't read on the system on the motherboards. Okay.
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, Incense and Prince, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle small as pinky rings. My people play position, puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer pop non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the stars.
This is quite really heavy.
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy.
Okay mga brosis, successfully we removed the cylinder head. So I'll show you what it is. There you go mga brosis. We successfully removed the cylinder head. As you can see, the engine block.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
Alright, brosis. showing up lower battery. with the heat, you need to how far is down?
You make it.
Wait. Okay, you go first. Left first. Do it properly. You need to get that one. That's it. The other side. Has to be, yeah, like that. You go forward a bit. Your car. Stop. I want you to get ready. Come to me. I want you to get ready. You stay here. Everything goes wrong, pull out this one straight away.
No. What is my judge wrong?
I tell you. Ready?
Yeah.
Take it up now. Take it. Wait. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Nice work, wow.
Woohoo! I'm a mechanic. Pull it out the controller. My phone.
I don't want this car to explode.
Say what? Oh, nice sound. Woohoo! It's successful. I'm now a mechanic.
No.
Look at that. Ooh, the smoke is coming out because of the new gasket. Look at that. Oh my God! Thank you very much, Lord. My only problem is this one here, the power steering. It's leaking somewhere. So when I did the TDC, remember what I told you before. So ooh, look at that. Really smoke coming out. McWillis, move forward. Ooh, the smoke. You gotta turn it up. Oh my God.
It starts though.
It starts.
Good.
It starts. Oh my God. Let it settle for a while.
That's no.
Yeah, because of the gasket. He's got a new gasket, that's why. Thank God. See, no one wants to touch it. No one wants it. Even the Saab especially, they don't want to touch it. But look what I did. Hard work, research, lot of research. Ask mechanic. What's the best thing to set it up? This one they don't know because they haven't been actually touched this. So I have to rely on Saab online, the Saab forum, and also Google and AI. Imagine that, everything. The problem is this one here. Why is this one? I don't know where this one is connected. Okay, so okay,
That's crazy.
okay. What we do is no, start. You'll be alright. Start lang. I want you to move over there because it's too sunny. Just move it. Move on this side. Hang on, I need to move the. Oh, this should be right. Yeah. Okay, start again. Okay. Yes, move. McWillis. Move. Wow. Wow. Oh. Move. Wait, stop. Wait, come. Lift it up this one. Lift it up. Oh my God, enough. Oh, gee. No rattling, huh? No rattling. Perfect. So it's the one that popped up when I put the jack. It's probably that one. See the mounting? Yeah. I think that's the one. So maybe the mount maybe it's not here. Can you look underneath if there's a leak? Huh?
Really smoky.
Yeah, smoky, of course. This is a new New gasket. Okay, turn it up, ano? Turn it up. The reason why it's big, I heard a big pop because of this. See that? It's broken. See, it's broken now. The what do you call that? The mount transmission. It's broken, so I need to replace this. Oh my God! Look at that. It's a big job. Not really. Well, we have to remove somehow this one. So I thought when it pop up, that one there, it looks still alright, but we will replace it anyway. We replace two of them. There's actually three of them here. I don't know where's the other one. But we're gonna replace two of them, front and back. This one is really pop up. Look at that. It's totally broken. Look, see? Oh my God. It's gone. Yeah. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?